Sure, here are 10 facts about how nature heals. 1. Reduced stress. Spending time in nature has been shown to lower cortisol levels, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. 2. Improved mental health. Nature walks and outdoor activities can help improve mood, reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, and enhance overall mental well-being. 3. Enhanced immune system. Exposure to natural environments can boost the immune system, leading to better overall health and resilience to illnesses. 4th. Increased vitamin D. Sunlight exposure in nature helps the body produce vitamin D, which is essential for bone health, immune function, and overall well-being. 5. Better sleep. Being in natural settings can improve sleep quality, leading to a more restful and rejuvenating night's sleep. 6. Physical health benefits. Activities like hiking, biking, or swimming in natural surroundings can improve cardiovascular health, muscle strength, and overall physical fitness. 7. Connection to others. Nature provides a space for social interaction and bonding, which can improve relationships and promote a sense of community. 8. Mindfulness and presence. Being in nature encourages mindfulness and being present in the moment, which can reduce rumination and promote mental clarity. 9. Restoration and relaxation. Natural environments offer a peaceful and calming atmosphere that can help individuals recharge, rejuvenate, and feel refreshed. 10. Emotional healing. Nature has a soothing effect on emotions, providing a sense of tranquility, comfort,